Welcome to the Horus Services Support Center. Today, we will explore the different methods of calculating personnel numbers available in our payroll and time management options. In the chronometricule area, a choice must be made. Choosing automatic calculation per sheet gives each sheet its own timer. However, it is crucial to use specific number ranges to avoid overlaps. Another option is to use an automatic timer for all agents, where a single number is used for all sheets, simply by setting the timer on one sheet and leaving the others at 0. For those who prefer a more segmented approach, the automatic calculation by nature, hire, and others allows a clear differentiation, while for manual management, it is up to the user to enter the employee number when creating the employee. Finally, our advice is to favor simplicity in the choice of the chrono format. A unique identifier does not require unnecessary complexity. Remember, clarity and efficiency are the keys to successful matriculation management. Thank you for joining us at the Horus Service Support Center.